Welcome to the Saraswati Shukunj Bhagwala Borsad English Medium Standard 4th Subject Maths, Chapter number 3, A Trip to Bhopal. Today again we will continue our story, but before that let's see the pre-task of division sums. Okay, our pre-task number 1, 528 divided by 16. It means here we have to take the table of 16. 528 divided by 16. If you will compare that 52 but with 16, you can divide this number, right? So first of all, let's check that we are getting 52 in the table of 16 or not. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, 16 fives are 80. If you will see that we are not getting 52 as an answer in the table of 16. So we need to take nearest and smallest number to the 52 from the table of 16. The nearest and smallest is 16, 3s are 48. 16 is written. So first we will write 3 at the place of quotient upper side here. 16 3s are 48 is given, right? So we will write here under the 52 48. Let's do the subtraction work. 2 minus 8 not possible. So 2 cut, we will write here 12. We will borrow it from 5, right? 1/10. So 12 minus 8 4. We had given 1/10 to the 2. So here it remains 4. 4 minus 4 0. Now bring 8 down. Here we have 48. As you can see that 48 is already there. 16 3s are 48. So let's write it that 16 3s are 48. Minus sign, 8 minus 8 0. 4 minus 4 0. So the answer over here is 33. Let's do the second sum. 450 divided by 15. It means here we need to do the table of 15. Okay, if we will compare 45 with 15, it shows that 45 is able to divide by 15. So let's check that 45 is there in the table of 15 or not. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45. As you can see, we got it 15 3s are 45, right? So 15 is also given here as a divisor, 45 is given in the dividend. So 15 3s are 45. Minus sign, 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 4 0. Now we will bring the 0 down. As you can see that here now we have only 0. So we will multiply with 0, right? 15 zeros are 0. Minus sign. Let's do the calculation. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Here also 0. So the answer is 30. Now we will continue our trip to the Bhopal. Okay. So as students became busy in discussion of the Narmada river, suddenly a bus stops with a jerk at petrol pump because 2 buses wants to refill the petrol. Okay. So after that the bus is refilled, the journey starts again towards the Bhopal. Fine. It was instructed to the students that they have to stop at Bhimbetka. From one bus, one boy, Anjan, said that, what is Bhimbetka? Mrs. Raina, it is a place with lots of caves and cave paintings made by the people 10,000 years ago. Sumanto, 10,000? I can't even imagine 1,000 years back. Gopi, it's a too big number. 10,000s. I can't even imagine 1,000. How should I imagine 100 also? Gauri, I can imagine 100 years back because my father's grandmother is 100 years old. Manji, that means That caves are almost 100 great grandmothers old. As they went inside the caves, one of them said, "Oh, these rocks are thousands of years old." Another replied, "Not thousands, it's 10,000 years old. And how lovely the paintings are made too on the rocks." Shankar, "This paintings also has very big bisons." "Hey, I got an idea. I will count bisons and you will count deers." Bonmala said, "I will count people. Let's see which are the most, bisons, deer or people." As Shankar became busy in counting the bisons, 34, 35, 36, 37. I got 37 bisons. 112, 113, 114. I got 117 deers, said by his friend. But Bonmala is the happiest because the number of people is even more than the number of deers and bisons together. But it is less than 200. As all the students were busy in observing the cave paintings, the guide said at that time to them that there are 600 cave paintings in all. It's time to leave now Bhimbetka. They had spent 1 hour over there. Now in the story there are few questions are there. Let's solve it as a word problem again. So let's see the first question. The buses stop at the petrol pump. 2 buses need to be refilled. Look here, they are talking about here 2 buses, okay? Each bus takes about 15 minutes. As you all know that each bus means 1 bus, right? Each bus takes about 15 minutes to refill. So they stop there for about blank minutes. Here we need to find the time, that how much time they stopped at the petrol pump. Fine. So let's see that. As per the question's information, 1 bus is equal to 15 minutes. We have to find for 2 buses. So 2 buses is equal to how many minutes? It means here we have to do multiplication. 2 multiplied by 15. Answer is 30. They stopped at the petrol pump for 30 minutes. So the answer will be here 30. Okay, let's go towards second sum. The price of diesel for 1 liter is rupees 55. 1 liter diesel price is 55 rupees. What is the price for 15 liters? Okay, so let's do the multiplication again here. One liter is equal to rupees 55. Okay, so 15 liters is equal to how many rupees? Is equal to 15 multiplied by 55. So let's calculate the sum now. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry goes on 5, 5 5s are 25, 2 and 2 carry, so 27, 0 of tens, right? 1 5s are 5. 1 5s are 5. Again, let's do the addition. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 5, 12. 1 carry goes with 2. 1 plus 2 plus 5, 8. The answer is the price of diesel for 15 liters is rupees 825. Okay, see the questions. So let's go with our third word problem. There are 37 bisons and 117 deers in the cave paintings of Bhimbetka. How many more deers are there than bisons? If you will see in this question, they are comparing the numbers of bison and deer. Okay, that which one is more? So we have to do here subtraction. If you will, you can see that in the question, how many more is the keyword for subtraction. Fine. So let's do solution now. If you will see then, 117 is more than 37. So first of all, we have to write the number of deers. 170. Number of deers. Then we will subtract it by 37. Number of bisons. Whatever answer we will get is difference of both of them. 1 minus 3, it's not possible. So what we have to do? We have to do here a cut border work. We will take 1 tens over here with this one, it will become 11. Fine. So 11 minus 3, 8. We had given this one over here. So how much remain here? 0. So it will be remain here. So the answer is 80. 80 deers are more than bisons. This is our solution of the third word problem. Let's go towards fourth number. In the cave paintings, the number of people is more than the number of deer 170 and bisons 37 together, but it less than 200. How many people must Bonomola had counted? Options are A. 214, B. 154, C. 134, D. 177. Here we have to see that more than the number of deer 117 and bisons 37 together. More than 117 and bisons 37 together means addition, okay, but it's less than 200. Okay, so here the answer will be between more than addition of 117 and 37 and less than 200. So first of all, we need to find the addition of 117 and 37. As you all know that 117 is the number of deers. And 37 is the number of bisons. So 7 plus 7, 14. 1 carry goes with 1 here. 1 plus 1 plus 3, 5. And here 1 will remain as it is. So the total is 154. But it is said that the people is more than. It means 154 will not come. Okay? If you will see, then 214 is more than 200. Here the condition is given less than 200. So option A will be also not there. And if you will see that, it is given that total, right? What the total is here? 154. But option C is less than 154. Option C is also cancelled. What remain now? 177. So the answer is 177. Is it clear? I hope that you understood this topic. Do your worksheet very carefully and with the correct answers. Thank you.